Namaste and good afternoon, my dear student. Once again, we are here to continue the classes, and today we are in the day 16 compulsory mathematics class 10. Yes, and just I have written two questions here. Yes, and these two questions, that is in essay also, in exam point of view also, they are the long question. No, yes. So be careful about this question, and they are important to you for the exam point of view. Yes, so question number first at first. It is given that the perimeter of a triangle is 36 centimeter. If its area is 54 and one of its side is 15 centimeter, then find the length of other two sides. That means what? One side is given, two side is missing. That is, this is a scalene triangle. We have to think that, and its area is given and perimeter is given. We are going to find the length of other two sides. Yes, so let's do that. Question number first at first. Yes, we are going to do question number 1 solution at first. It is given that what is given there at first. We are going to write that given. In given it is given. Yes, perimeter. Perimeter of triangle is given. Yes, that is P equals to 36 centimeter. Yes, and then area is given. Area of triangle A equals to 54 cm square. This is, and then one of the side. One side of triangle. Yes, suppose these sides A, B, C. What? Let's see. Suppose this is C is given 15 centimeter, and we are going to find the length of other two sides. That means other two sides. Other two sides A and B equals to what? Yes, yes and no. Now we have the perimeter, so on the basis of the perimeter we are going to do at first. We know P equals to A plus B plus C. Perimeter is 36 equals to A plus B plus C equals to 15. Yes, and therefore A plus B equals to 36 minus 15. Yes or not? And therefore A equals to what? 36 minus 54 means 21, and minus B. Suppose this is the first. We can find the value of A in form of B. Yes, and we have the value C. Yes or no? And now for the area of scalene we need semi-perimeter, and semi-perimeter S equals to P by 2. That means what? P is 36 by 2, we get what? 18 cm. This is the semi-perimeter. Yes or not? And now, on the basis of that, we are going to argue. It is given that area is given, and we are going to apply the area formula. No? Yes? Also, area of triangle equals to under root S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. This is the formula, and we are going to apply this. And yes, this is the formula, and we are going to put the value of given there. Area is given, S is given, A, B, and C is, yes, which we have mentioned. We are going to do that on the basis of that. Look here. Yes. So area is given. Area is 54. So 54 equals to under root S means S we have, and this is the 18 into S minus C, S minus A. That means what? 18 minus A means what? 21 minus B. That is 21 minus B. This is, yes, and then S minus B. 18 minus B remains same, and next one, that is 18 minus C. C is 15, which we have written, and root over. This is, yes, and this is square root. Yes, this is square root is what? This side root, then bring that, yes, to that side, so it become what? Is square over will be there. So 54 square equals to 18 into 18 minus 21. Let's simplify this. 18 minus 21 plus b, and then 18 minus b will be here, and this remaining 18 minus 15 means we get 3, that is into 3. This is, and now 54 square means 54 into 54. Yes, and when we do 54 into 54, we get 2916. And this 18 and 3 are in the number form, and let's bring that side, then we divide this with 18 into 3 equals to, b is positive, so b at first, and 21 minus 3 we get what? Minus 3. Yes or no? 21 minus 18 is 3, and this is 18 minus b. Yes, remain the same, and let's divide this. 18 into 3 is 54. When we divide this 54 with 219, that means what? 54 square already, and 1 square we get 54 only. So we get what? 54 equals to, and let's multiply this, and b with 18, b with b. So 18b minus b square minus 18, 3 is 54, minus minus plus 3b. This is, and now let's bring all the term to this side. So we get what? B square minus 21b plus 108 equals to 0. This is, and now we are going to, this is in the form of quadratic equation, and we are going to find the value of b from there across. Yes, and then let's factorize by the factorization method. 108 is here. When we factorize 108 such that by adding such two number we get 21. That means what? Let's do that. Let's here roughly at first. 108 is here with 2, 54 with 2, 27 with 3, 9 with 3, 3 with 3, 1. This is, yes or no? 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12. Yes, and 3 3 is 9. 9 plus 12 we get 21. Yes, that is true. Yes, so let's do that. So in place of 21 we can write 12 and 9. Yes or not? So we are going to do, or b square minus 12b minus 9 plus 108 equals to 0. This is, and let's say out of 2 we are going to take the common. b minus 12 minus 9, so b minus 12 equals to 0. Yes, and first bracket 1 and then remaining 1 equals to 0. Either b minus 12 equals to 0, b equals to 12 centimeter, or b minus 9 equals to 0, b equals to 9 centimeter. That is what? We get the two value of b. Yes, and by putting this value we can find a also. No? That means a and b we can easily find that. And putting the value of b equals to 12 cm and b equals to 9 cm. Yes, therefore a equals to what? 21 minus 12 we get what? 9, and a equals to 21 minus 9 means we get 12. This is the required answer, no? Yes, and in this way we find the solution of the question number first. Yes, so question number first, that is we find the value of the other two sides, and we on the basis of this, that is we get the two value of b, and while putting that two value in the equation first, and we find the value of a also. Yes, so this is the required solution. No? And lastly, we are going to write here. Lastly, we are going to write, therefore, the value of or the length of other two sides are 21 or 12 or 12 or 9. This is yes. So question number 4. Similarly, we are going to do the question number 2. Yes. And question number 2, it is given that, look that, it is in the form of the umbrella one, yes, and it is the important to, yes, for the exam point of the view. For the long question, it is going to access. So in the question number 2, it is given that an umbrella is made up of stitching 8 triangular pieces, yes, of the cloth of different colors, and its measuring is given there. That means the color, the triangular pieces, each is made up of, that is 30 centimeter, 130, 130. Since two sides are equal, we have to think this is a isosceles triangle. Yes, and then we are going to find the area of one piece side first, and then after we are going to find the area total umbrella. Yes. And then only we are going to find the cost. The question is like this. So at first, what is given there? We are going to write question number 2 solution. Yes, it is given that that is number of triangular pieces. Number of triangular pieces. Yes, equals to 8, and then its measuring is given this. Its measuring is 30 cm, 113 cm, and 113 cm. This is, and then rate is given there. Rate R equals to is given. That is RS2 per cm square. This is, and now we are going to find the area, total area equals to what, and then cost, total cost equals to what. Yes. So at first we are going to find the area of one triangular pieces at first. Yes. So now, we know, since it is isosceles triangle, we know area of isosceles triangle equals to b by 4 root 4a square minus b square. On the basis of that we are doing, yes. So we can find b means what? Not equal side 13 by 4 root 4 a means 113 square minus b means what? 30 square. This is, and let's multiply. Let's cancel this. 2 the 15 there. We get what? 15 by 2 into 4 into 113 square means what? 113 into 113, and we get what? 12,769. This is, yes, and minus 13 square means 3 3 9 and double zeros, like this. Yes, and let's multiply this. 15 by 2 and root over 4 into 12,769 means what? We get what? 51,076. This is, yes, 51,076 minus 900, and when we do this, 51,076 minus 900, we get 50,000. Yes, 50,176. This is, yes, and when we take out the root of this, 15 by 2 into root of this means we get what? 224. This is, yes, and let's multiply this with 2. We can cancel that. 2 1 are 2, 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4. This is, and 15 into 112, and let's multiply this. 15 into 112, and let's do in rough way also. We can do that. That means that 15 into 112 we get that is 1680, and this is cm square. This is while multiplying this, yes, and since you are going to find the area, that's why, and this is the area of a triangular, but 8 triangular pieces are here, so total area equals to, now total area cloths, yes sir, total area of cloths equals to 1680 into 8. When we multiply this, yes, let's multiply this 1680 into 8, we get what? 8 0 is 0, 8 8 is 64, 4, carry 6, 8 6 is 48, 48 plus 6 means what? We get what? 44, carry 1, 54, again 4, 5 remains, and 8 1s are 8 5, we get what? 13, that is 13,440 cm square. This is one answer, that means there we are the total cloths, yes, and similarly it is said that we are going to find the cost, yes, while finding the cost, yes, and lastly also total cost equals to total area into rate. This is, and total means 13,440 into, and we have the rate that is 2, yes, and we get that is RS. Since it is in RS, and we are going to write in RS. If it is in the paisa, then we are going to make or divide with 100, then only we can find, yes. And when we multiply this, let's multiply 0 8 8 and 2 6, that is what? 26,880. This is our required answer to find the total cost, yes, yes or no? So in this way we find that is question number 2, and this is the for the long question, that means group C also, yes, this is important time, yes, this much for today. That means we have completed, and lastly we can write here, therefore the total cost is 26,880. Now thank you this much.